Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The term Malay Manadalam refers to Coromandel coast or Malabar coast or Pandya coast or Konkan coast. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to describe it. So let's get into the answer. Malabar coast in the medieval time was known as Malay Manadalam. Technically, it means that coast falls under the Western Ghats. Okay, therefore option 2 is the right answer. Now let's see another question. So this is the next question. Which one of the following was not a strong centers of the revolt of 1857, whether it is Madras or Ara or Jhansi or Bareilly? Madras is the right answer. Madras is a city in southern India which was not among the active centers during the revolt of 1857. Sepoy Mutiny (1857) did not spread to South India, and most of eastern and western India, because these regions had repeatedly rebelled earlier. These regions had repeatedly rebelled earlier. Therefore, 1 is the correct answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.